At the UN Library and Archives Geneva, we provide access to a wide range of electronic resources. UN staff and external stakeholders, such as researchers or members of permanent missions, can use these resources. Accessing e-resources can be made easy by keeping a few tips in mind. Access details are always indicated in our e-resources list. Icons next to resources denote their access information. An open padlock symbol indicates open access resources accessible either on-site or off-site. A radio wave symbol indicates that the resource is available when on-site on the grounds of the Palais des Nations or for anyone connected to our Wi-Fi, UN staff or not. This is the case for most of our electronic resources. However, some e-resources can only be accessed with a username and password, such as the Financial Times. In that case, a key icon is shown next to these resources. If you are UN staff and interested in such a resource, please contact us via our Ask a Librarian service to learn more. When using our catalog, Global Search, each result of e-resources indicates whether it's open access or available through one or several vendors. Remote access to the majority of our electronic resources is possible for UN staff. This is indicated by a globe and PC icon in our e-resources list. This means that the e-resource is configured for remote access using a specific access tool called Open Athens. When you want to remotely access a subscribed e-resource, meaning with no open access, through the e-resources list or our catalog Global Search, you will be automatically redirected to the Open Athens login page. On the login page, there are multiple options. UN staff working for a Geneva-based entity with an @un.org email can use our Office 365 credentials to log in. It's the same email and password they would use to access Outlook or SharePoint Online. UN staff working for a Geneva-based entity but without an @un.org email, such as UNHCR staff, need to make a request for a personal account. This can be done through our website. Once you have signed in to access an e-resource, you'll be automatically redirected to your e-resource of choice. If you have questions or any other needs, then feel free to contact us via our Ask a Librarian online service.